Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It's well equipped with the features you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.